Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading industrial plumbing design company based in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With years of experience in the industry, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a trusted name in providing innovative and efficient plumbing solutions for industrial projects. The company boasts a team of highly skilled and experienced engineers and designers who are well-versed in the latest technologies and industry standards. One of the key areas of expertise for Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is industrial plumbing design. The company specializes in designing efficient plumbing systems for a wide range of industrial applications, including manufacturing plants, warehouses, and commercial buildings. Their team works closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and develop customized solutions that meet their unique needs. From designing water supply and drainage systems to selecting the right materials and fixtures, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd ensures that every aspect of the plumbing design is carefully planned and executed. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd takes pride in its ability to deliver cost-effective and sustainable plumbing solutions for industrial projects. They understand the importance of optimizing water usage and minimizing wastage in industrial settings. By incorporating innovative design techniques and utilizing energy-efficient technologies, the company helps clients reduce their water consumption and lower their operating costs. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd also places a strong emphasis on environmental sustainability, ensuring that their plumbing designs comply with all relevant regulations and standards. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a renowned industrial plumbing design company located in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With years of experience in the field, Scon Design India has established itself as a trusted and reliable provider of plumbing design solutions for various industrial projects. The company offers a wide range of services including plumbing layout design, pipe sizing and selection, equipment selection, and hydraulic calculations. Industrial plumbing plays a crucial role in the overall functioning and efficiency of any industrial facility. It involves the design, installation, and maintenance of plumbing systems that ensure the proper flow of water, gases, and other fluids within the facility. A well-designed plumbing system is essential for the smooth operation of various processes in industries such as manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, food processing, and more. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the unique requirements of industrial plumbing and provides tailored solutions to meet the specific needs of each client. The company's team of experienced engineers and designers utilize their expertise to develop efficient and cost-effective plumbing designs that comply with industry standards and regulations. They work closely with clients